Greenwich has become a hotspot for fashionable New Yorkers fleeing Manhattan, and what's more vogue than a Normandy-style chateau? This Normandy-style chateau features lush gardens, lavish interiors, and more. Built in 1927, Chateau Ridge has been left derelict until it was purchased in the 1980s by the late Nine West founder and shoe designer Vince Camuto, who left the city to move to the countryside with his wife and their son. Set on a private 4.6-acre lot, the property features a beautiful courtyard and Renaissance-inspired gardens with box tree mazes and a stone pergola. A resort-style pool complex includes a pool house, hot tub, and grotto. The property also includes a tennis court with a stone tennis house and a separate 2-bedroom guest house. Through a private gate and up an apple tree-lined drive, travel back to the 17th century. Spectacular parterre gardens reminiscent of the French Renaissance greet you. Box tree mazes, mature plantings, and lush foliage surround you in nature that also functions as fine art. Inside the residence, there are antique finishes and details abound, creating a luxurious living museum while contemporary spaces for indoor entertaining and wellness. A beamed Great Hall runs 91 feet from the magnificent living room to a marvelous dining room, passing by the grand main stairway and the circular tower stairway. The stunning Great Room rises 40 feet to a spectacular cobalt blue ceiling, and there are 3 exposures with tall windows bracketing the limestone fireplace. The sitting room with a large fireplace has antique paneling crafted by the noted Grinling Gibbons. The superb breakfast room opens into the country kitchen with direct access into the 2-story family room with a fireplace and French doors to the garden. There's also a constellation room with 40-foot high-domed ceilings, complete with fiber optic stars designed to replicate the night sky on Camuto's birth date. The master suite has a sumptuous bedroom, a paneled study, an oval sitting room, and extraordinary dressing room and bathroom clad in white onyx, while a luxurious second bathroom is in onyx. There are 6 additional bedrooms, a spectacular 3rd floor with a double-height ceiling, and a bright, large exercise room with skylights and views to the property. The garage houses 7 cars. There is a luxurious guest house, and a tennis house overlooks the court. The most amazing pool has a stone grotto, a waterfall, and a pool house. The chateau was meticulously restored under Jim Shimma, who famously worked on Tommy Hilfiger's Greenwich home, and was lavishly furnished with art and antiques amassed around the world by the owners and avid collectors. The home was listed for sale for $26,500,000.